Okay, I'm going to continue with the translation now. She now works on S4C's nightly magazine show. Ahora, o actualmente trabaja en o para el canal S4C en el programa de nightly, quiere decir que sale cada noche en el programa que se emite cada noche en el programa, pongo Wedi 7, que quiere decir después de las 7, que se emite cada noche. Y es presentadora de radio, porque Heart Cymru es un programa de radio, en el programa voy a poner en la programación de fin de semana de Heart Cymru en Anglesey y Gwynedd. So that's okay. Then the table of contents we don't need, because that comes in automatically. We know that it appears automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to select that and eliminate it. So here we are. Control X. Excellent. And we don't need the edit buttons either, so I'll get rid of those. Now here, childhood is infancia. And here, nació en Gales en el año 1906 y asistió a la escuela de pueblo. This is the name of the school. Y más tarde is called giving en la escuela Coliving en Llangefni. Willem viene de una familia musical. Con un abuelo que tocaba el piano y otro con una huelga y el otro que escribía la letra de las canciones y su madre y su hermana who are fond of singing son también cantantes aficionadas pondremos son también cantantes y también lo necesitamos, son aficionadas del canto, podemos poner. Okay, I'm going to save that before I lose it, and now I'm going to show you. We've done I should think 100 words already, but I'm going to show you now how we could publish this before I go on. Now, to publish it, what we need to do is to go back to the source, and here in the source what I want to do is to select all of the text between the two body tags. So there we are, and I'm going to Control C to select that, and now I'm going to go back to the wiki, our wiki, and I'm going to look for 20671 20167 T1 and search for it, and here it is. Now I want to edit that page and paste the HTML into it. So I'll edit it, delete that, and paste what I've just translated. And now I can go down to the bottom of this window and save the page. And when I do that, we'll see that it hasn't really worked, because I've lost that one there, excuse me, this one hasn't really worked because the wiki, although it accepts some aspects of the HTML code, other aspects it doesn't accept. Like here, this link here is appearing all wrong, and this one as well. So now what I'm going to do is show you how you can work with this translated page to make it so that it works in the wiki. And because we're supposed to be making photos of this, I'm just going to take another photo of this, a screen capture. There we are, I've done a screen capture of this one. So here I'm showing how the HTML cannot be imported directly back into the wiki. So what I'm going to do is use a resource for converting HTML code into wiki code. Now, the resource I propose you use for this is this one here. This web page, wiki w-i-k-i.appspot.com, is a resource that you can use to convert HTML code to wiki code. So what I'm going to do is what I'll do is just go back to the first page here, and on the start page here you can see information basically about what this page does, and what we want to do is convert HTML into Wikipedia wiki text format. So, and to do that we just need to paste the HTML here, which I've got it in my clipboard still, so it's Control V, and then go down the page a little more and convert input, and it's what we're converting is HTML to Wikipedia, and we'll leave those tags that are selected by default and convert input, and it takes a few seconds, and then it will give you the converted code. So now what I'm going to do is copy that by selecting it all, Control C, and then I'm going to go back to the page where I pasted the HTML, and this time I'm going to paste the converted text. So I go to Edit, here select all, Control A, and now with what's in the clipboard I can say Control V, and that pastes what I had in the clipboard into the wiki page. So now I'll say Save Page, and this time you should see that it's pretty good, and you can see that it is pretty good. We've got most of the text is okay. There's a small mistake here which I don't know where that comes from, but we can easily just edit this manually to make it work. Go to the Edit tab and then go down to where that problem is, which was here. There's an empty link, and then I can save the page again, and now you can see that the page is appearing perfectly as we wanted it to, and you can see that the table of contents is appearing as well with Infancia already correct, and the other ones are not correct because we only translated down to Aficionados del Canto here. So that's how you can translate a page in the Wikipedia using HTML, an HTML editor, and how you can re-import it into your wiki. In the next video I'll show you how you can do the same thing but using a text editor, and you'll see that it's not nearly so easy.